An NFT is a unique cryptographic code that is attached to some digital asset or assets. So, whenever you create a non-fungible token on a blockchain, that token or digital asset is given a unique identification number that can only belong to one asset on the blockchain because an NFT cannot be duplicated. However, before we continue exploring NFTs further, let's explore the concept of what a blockchain is. A blockchain is a distributed database shared among the nodes of a computer network. What is that supposed to mean? So basically, there is a network of connected computers and they all store some parts of a database. Imagine you and your friends have a special notebook to keep track of things. This notebook is called a blockchain. In this notebook, you can write down any important information, like who owns a car or a piece of art. But here's the cool part, instead of just one person having the notebook, everyone in your community has a copy. So, if someone tries to change something in their notebook, everyone will notice because their notebooks are different. Whenever someone wants to add new information to the notebook, like saying they own a specific art piece, they have to tell everyone in the community. Everyone then writes down this information in their own notebooks. The special thing about the notebook is that once something is written in it, it can't be erased or changed. That means if you wrote down that you own a toy, nobody can come and erase it or say it's theirs. This way, the notebook keeps a record of who owns what, and everyone can trust that the information is correct because all the notebooks in the class are the same. That's basically how a blockchain works. It's like a special notebook that everyone has a copy of, and it helps us keep track of who owns what in a fair and trustworthy way. This method of storing data is a revolutionary because it ensures the trustworthiness and security of a record of data without the need for a third party. Because the database is distributed among a network of computers, we can ensure that it is secure at all times. If the data on one computer is destroyed, several other computers can take its place. So, the data is protected. And it cannot be destroyed. Blockchain tech also ensures trustworthiness, which means if the data on one of those computers gets corrupted, several other computers show the original form of that data. So, you can nullify the corruption by analyzing the data on the other computers. That's where the innovation is.